Today's World Healthy Food Day. We bought some healthy foods. We will share to our teachers and friends.
Assalamualaikum. I reading standard 2. My name is Sadaf and I make chicken bun. I read in standard 3 and I bring egg pudding. I read in standard 3. My name is Abrar. I bring egg pudding.
My name is Rasul Ibrahim Ahil. I read in standard 3. I brought oats with mixed dry food.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ryan Hussain. I read in class 3. Today I bring eggs.
Good morning, everyone. Today I brought yummy pasta, sweet apples, and juicy orange. My pasta has chicken and eggs on it. Apple keeps doctors away because it's very healthy, and orange gives me vitamin C so I don't catch cold. I love my healthy food. Thank you. Take it back.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Jisan. I read in standard 4. I bring today food salad and I love food.
Hello, my name is Ahmadullah and I read in standard 2. Today I brought noodles and chicken nuggets and chicken balls.
I am Muntaha Ahmed. I read in standard 3. I brought chicken nugget, meat, bread and egg.
My name is Saviha. I read in standard 3. I brought noodles with sausage and chicken balls.
My name is Arsha Manu Shampurna.